Hey everybody, Scott here from Camco, and today I'm going to tell you about the Antifreeze hand pump kit. This kit allows you to manually pump antifreeze into your RV's water lines to prevent them from getting damaged during the winter. Included in the kit is the hand pump, an outlet tube, and an inlet tube. And it's easy to use. First, make sure all outside water sources are disconnected. Attach the outlet tube to the RV city water connection. Slide the other end of the outlet tube onto the hand pump's side spout. Now insert one end of the inlet tube over the bottom spout of the hand pump and submerge the other end of the inlet tube into a jug of antifreeze and start pumping. It's helpful to have someone inside the RV to open up all the faucets to make sure antifreeze is running through both the hot and cold water lines. Start with the highest point on the hot water side and work your way down from sinks to toilet. You should run about 2 pints of antifreeze through each water line. And that's all there is to it. Camco's Antifreeze hand pump kit. If you don't have one, you should get one today.
Camco.net.